The thickness of this panel and this and this and this is all 15mm thickness. For design, here I would like to talk about this part is X part. As is aluminum casting, for this part is whole complete solid one. But some others is separated and joined by screw. And the other design is our gantry side. Some others is straight like this without this shape, and but for ours we make a wider touching surface. Surface is a deeper and fitable surface to avoid any little moving. Of course, we install 4 screws under it. And for the reels, y-axis we use supported reels SBR20 and aluminum panel under it. This kind of reel will support the gantry. So we need this kind of reel to be avoid bend. At the end of the reel, we use this kind of holder. It's a SH20, so reels can not move at any directions. As well on the x-axis, but on the axis we use fastening screw on it. And the x-axis we use the 20mm shaft, and the z-axis we use 12 diameter shaft. For both screw we use 16 diameter and 5mm thread both screw from Taiwan TBI. It's C7 precision standard. Rigid coupling we use on all axes to connect the both screw and the step motors. And the other on the other end, like this, 2 bearings in it, and to avoid the end play, we use a nut in it with a fastening screw on it. And it works very well. So on x-axis and the z-axis, 3-axis motor is NEMA 23, or we call it BYD 57. It's 57 millimeter size, and its length is 76 millimeter. It's two-phase 1.8 degree 3 ampere currency. Its torque can be 2 Nm. At last, our other motion feature is the heavy-duty table. You can see it's very thick. I think customers who make metalwork will love it.